Welcome to Easy Art 47. Today I am going to draw the dynamic pose of an anime figure, and I will draw the structural step through which I draw the structure first, and then I will draw the overall shape of the body, and then I will add the clothing to it so it has the mini layer. And this took me around more than 30 minutes as I want to explain it more, but then I thought the video would be too long, so I edited it much faster, and I do it like in the in the minutes of 5 minutes. So I hope you will like it. See how I am drawing the basic structure of the back, and it will be the female anime character, or even the real type of illustration. Have I kept the basic body proportion like same, and for the dynamic I have turned it into the kneeling pose, and here you see how I draw each and every muscles, and I have given the reason why I drew this muscle like this, because when you see a sitting figure in the kneel pose, it is like that, and I have drawn the basic bare structure like you can see the naked figure. Then I will draw the clothing on over it so that you can see how the basic body structure works, and how it looks from the different angle. I have many more of this where I saw from the basic standing figure to the sitting figure to the any pose you want. And if you like it, then hit the like button, and if this is like lengthy for you, then you can watch it 2x. But if you want to learn how to draw the basic body structure, you can join my live through subscribe button, and it is all free what I share with you. And if you want to draw, and if you want me to draw any character, whether it's in the your mind or in the reference, or you have some made up character, then you can just ask me in the live. I will show you the process, and so that whenever you want to apply on your own, you can also learn, and you can take the help from mine also. So I would request you to please join the live. And as you can see, I am just drawing the hair with the basic shapes, and the hair can be your own. And see how when I draw with the pencil, how I match the reference which I am seeing. Or even if you don't have reference, you can draw according to your own imagination. See, here I am giving the clothes based upon the body, and as you can see, I have rub out the guideline which shows the basic structure underneath the body, and that was important to establish the basic proportion, and to look the human figure look to the accurate. And you see here I am giving, like, when we kneel down, it's our thigh, and it comes to a proportion where it's not very too long, not very too short, and kind of here I am adjusting with the eyes and nose, as this is the anime character. But moreover, I tried to keep the basic proportion like the real anatomy. And if you like it, hit the like, share and subscribe button, and do comment also. Thank you for watching the video till the end.